politics over hooch tragedy in Kallakurichi has only escalated, with the AIADMK General Secretary and Leader of Opposition Edappadi Palanisamy planning to visit Kallakurichi Government Hospital to take stock of the situation. DMK meanwhile says that action has been taken against the district administration who were responsible for the hooch tragedy. The superintendent of police has been suspended. The collector of Kallakurichi was transferred. New officials are now in place to take stock of the situation. Ministers have been deployed at Kallakurichi to monitor the situation. At least 30 people have died so far in the hooch tragedy that took place in Kallakurichi, and more than 30 are still hospitalized. Some of them are in critical condition as per the hospital authorities. So clearly the death toll could only increase in the coming hours, which is why politics over this is going to escalate, because just 1 year ago, which was in September 2023, there were twin hooch tragedies reported in Tamil Nadu, one in Viluppuram and one in Chengalpattu districts, where 22 people lost their lives because of consumption of illicit liquor. And just a year later, yet another tragic incident took place in Kallakurichi, where at least 30 of them have died. The death toll could increase because we'll have to wait for the official information, but at least 30 of them have lost their lives because of consumption of illicit liquor. Remember, yesterday there was one person who was suspected to have carried at least 200 liters of illicit arak was arrested. Right now, investigation is on, probe is on to see if the 200 liters of illicit arak contains the deadly methanol. Because police officials say that prima facie investigation reveals that consumption of methanol led to the tragic incident where at least 30 people have lost their lives. Both the AIADMK and the BJP have in fact pointed fingers at the DMK, blaming the DMK, saying that the DMK has not learnt its lessons, because just in 2023 we saw twin hooch tragedies in Tamil Nadu, and in less than a year yet another tragic incident took place. So they say that because of the administration lapses, yet another tragedy took place because of illicit liquor being made available freely under the DMK rule. That's the question that both the BJP and the AIADMK have raised, saying that the DMK has not learnt its lessons, have not taken measures to stop the illicit sale of liquor and distribution of methanol. That's the word coming in from the AIADMK and the BJP. This will be raked up in the assembly session. Today, the assembly session met, condoled the death of those who lost their lives after consumption of illicit liquor. But tomorrow, we could expect a heated debate in the assembly over hooch tragedy, with both the AIADMK and the BJP blaming the DMK. DMK meanwhile says that action has been taken against those who were responsible for this, but that is not enough, is what the opposition says.